Hello guys, welcome to this video. I will teach you how to push images to Docker Hub. So let's begin. And if you don't watch previous videos, then the link of the videos is up here on the right side, and if not, then you have to check out the description and watch the videos first and later on come on this video. So let's start the video. Okay, open your browser and navigate to hub.docker.com, and you have to sign up. You have to sign up on this hub.docker.com, but I already have account, so I can log in. Okay, login. I have some repositories, but if you really hate your account, so none repositories are showing. These are all repositories which I pushed recently. So what you have to do in order to push the images to hub.docker.com is to open the command prompt. Okay, make sure if you're using the Windows, double click on the Docker for Windows, and your Docker is running, right? Awesome. First of all, what you have to do now is Docker images. Choose your Docker image, that what image you want to use. I want to use this image, hello, which tag is down. In the previous video, I showed that how to create your own image, so make sure to watch it if you don't know how. Okay, how to create your own image. So now I selected the hello image and the dev tag image to push on the hub.docker.com. So what you have to do now is to run that command docker tag. The image ID is A05. I don't want to type the full ID. I only type the unique characters, and now you have to type your username. When you create, firstly you have to create your account. Then after creating your account, your username is showing here. My username is SN26, and your username is very different. So you have to type your username here. My username is SN26, and after slash you have to type the image name. So I can type hello. This is the image name, this is basically a repository name with which will show onto the hub.docker.com. So make sure your name is correct. And after that, specify the tag. So the tag specify is down. SMS tag above. Right now, press enter. Now again and check Docker images. As you see, SN/26/hello. This image is created by using this image, tagged. So what you have to do now is you have to firstly sign up with hub.docker if you don't have account. Then do this process what I have done up till now and run this command docker login. To log in your command prompt with docker hub.docker.com. Okay, here you have to type your username. My username is SN26. Here you have to type your password. As you see here, I type the username, password, and login succeed. You have to firstly log in. After doing the whole process that I have done up till now, then type docker and push and the image name that you just selected. So you know the image name, docker images. Here are image name which take is down. Now type docker push /26/hello tag is down, press enter. It's now preparing and waiting and uploading. It is uploading and will take time. Okay, it's uploaded. Reload. As you see, here's our repository. Hello. Open it. And here we go. Thanks. Here's our own repository. So you can also create your own repository. This is your repository, and you have to create your own repository and play with it. Right? So I hope you all learn how to push the images on hubdoc.com. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any query, then I'm over as here to answer your query. So thanks for your time. For now, bye.